Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Tyler here at Performance Design and FAB, PDF for short, here in Clarksville, Tennessee. We're a local race car, street car, and off-road FAB and performance shop. Just here to serve the community and build some bad cars. We just wanted to share with everybody some of the insides of how these cars get built and what goes into them. And so hence we started a YouTube channel, and we're gonna post hopefully weekly on the stuff we're building, and you guys can check it out and see what's up. So come check out some of the stuff we have in the shop right now. On the lift here, we got a Subaru BRZ. We did a Honda K20 swap in it, custom engine mounts, and a custom trans mount. And all we have left now is to button a couple things and make a custom turbo manifold for it. And then this is Alex Lista's car from Spooling Up Performance, another YouTuber. Put his link later in the description below. We just got done recently some custom motor mounts for it. We do a lot of motor swaps, by the way. This is a Mazda Speed 3 engine and a Mazda RX-8 chassis. We're doing a solid axle swap in this with a 4-link. You can see we've already started prepping the back to get the rear cross member and 4-link installed and seats mounted, and we'll be putting a 10-point plus chromoly cage in this entire thing and getting it ready to hit the strip next year, 2020. Dodge Dakota with a 4BT Cummins. We're working on that motor swap now. And then those are the seats out of this rock bounce we got over here, gentlemen, that we sponsor. And this thing is pretty bad. Camden built 6-liter turbo 400 trans, putting PRP suspension seats in it. Apologize for the dungeon over here. But we've done a bunch of random stuff on this thing over the years, or over the past year, I should say. We built the entire body on this thing out of 14 gauge sheet metal, aluminum, all powder coated. Yeah, small CNC plasma table, cut out a bunch of brackets and stuff we need. Tubing bender, can't live without. Jeep J10, putting a custom cage in it. Got the main hoop all bent up, harness bar welded in, tucked in, and the halo tacked in. We'll actually be doing the the A pillar bars for it tomorrow. This is a local gentleman doing a custom turbo setup for him, front mount, GT55 frame turbo, all custom install. It's all vibrant stainless steel, tubing, all TIG welded. This thing is gonna be pretty rowdy when it's done. It'll be out here 2020 as well. We'll post some more in depth of this one as well. We got some video coming up here soon. And then we don't discriminate. Here's a older school G body. It's a turbo 5.3 LS. We're doing a custom hot side on it. It's got a tubular tubular front core support for it. Also doing a cage in it and putting Holley EFI terminator in there, and get this bad boy on the strip next year as well. And then just a quick little walk around in the fab area. There's some stainless we welded up a week or so ago and got to finish up. Custom X pipe we did for a gentleman with a very tight fitting chassis. And then there's a workhorse of the shop. It's indestructive table, machinery, all the boring stuff. My old school Buell project, 2-frame Buell. Then we can't forget 67 Mustang Coupe on the chassis table is a full pro touring build. Right now we're prepping for the mini tubs. It's got a Detroit Speed 4-link kit, 9-inch housing with C6 floater axles, coilovers, whole 9 yards. Doing a cage in this as well. Who knows, maybe a turbo kit. I don't know, we'll see what we can talk them into. But this will all be gone as well. The only thing that'll be on here is the stock frame rails, and up will be a tube front end and integrated cage. And as you can see, we have tons of LS blocks, 4L80Es, turbo 400s, and a bunch of mess laying around. That's it, guys. It was just a quick shot of some of the stuff we've been working on lately, and we will post up some more videos here soon. I hope you guys like what you saw, and keep an eye out for more. This stuff we got coming up is pretty radical. I mean, we specialize in custom turbo kits, chassis, suspensions, and anything with metal we can pretty much come up with some magic for. So anyway, thanks guys, I appreciate all the support. Like, subscribe, and follow. We'll put all this stuff in the description, and look forward to pumping out some more footage for you guys soon. All right guys, that's it for now. See you.